In this video, I am going to talk about investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. With that said, let's get started. Cryptocurrency investment opportunities. Despite the fact that Bitcoin's popularity has increased in recent years, just a small fraction of Americans have used it to trade. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin are three of the most popular cryptocurrencies, with each witnessing significant growth in the previous year. The opportunity to earn handsomely from the extraordinary volatility of these highly speculative assets attracts traders. Traders may now get their hands on cryptocurrencies in a number of ways. In fact, it's possible that you already have a trading app on your phone. You can buy and trade a number of Bitcoin currencies using the PayPal or Venmo apps, for example. Other apps, on the other hand, provide a bigger range, literally hundreds, as well as extra benefits such as lower prices. Here are a few of the top cryptocurrency trading apps. Robinhood. Robinhood is best known for its slick stock, option, and ETF trading tools, but it has just expanded into cryptocurrencies. Webull. Although Webull isn't the most well-known trading software, its feature set appears to be superior to that of Robinhood. Etoro. Etoro is a cryptocurrency-only trading platform, at least for American traders, though others can trade stocks. Cash App. When you think about cryptocurrencies, Cash App might not be the first thing that comes to mind. The financial program is known for its cash management account and stock and ETF trading. PayPal. You could already have PayPal installed on your phone, similar to Cash App, and if so, you can skip this step. Coinbase. Coinbase is a specialist cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to trade 96 different digital currencies at the time of writing. Kraken. Kraken is yet another specialist cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to trade a broad selection of currencies, including the most well-known as well as others that aren't commonly seen in mainstream financial programs, such as Solana, Uniswap, Cardano, and others. Your needs will decide which cryptocurrency trading program is ideal for you. You should look for an app that allows you to trade a number of digital currencies. Many of the apps mentioned might suffice if you stick to the big ones, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few more. Keep in mind, however, that while opening an account, price is a critical element to consider. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about making money online and offline, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you will be notified of my new videos.